Dialogue, I am beating you for what you have done, full stop. I am beating you for what you are going to do, full stop. If the government believes that civil society is a pillar of democracy, why are rights based organizations such as NGOs, trade unions, journalists, bodies, and flooding students unions continuously under fire? Question mark. Let us be candid. Full stop. They have been under fire whether during the dictatorship of Ayub Khan or Ziaul Haq or under democratic dispensations in the 1990s and more recently since those are 11, full stop. Just because of the alleged involvement of one particular INGO in Abbottabad, and NGO community has had to bear the brunt of the state overaction under one garb or another, full stop. It is like the application of collective punishment, the infamous FCR, full stop, paragraph. By those are 15, NGO registration had become a security issue instead of the social welfare ministry, the interior ministry and home departments and the economic affairs divisions became the custodians of registration, full stop. Foreign funding became suspect, bank accounts came under scrutiny with threats of closure, full stop. Personal visiting INGO and NGO would often whisper, you don't know, but would not share any concrete evidence for what one did not know, full stop. Meanwhile, the spin doctors spun their tales and baseless charges on various television channels, full stop. The Financial Action Task Force bracket start FATC bracket close requirements for preventing terrorist financing and money laundering are cited in order to justify retrogressive measures globally, full stop. However, FATF, वही जो है FATF recommendation that the work of civil society organizations should be protected remains ignored, full stop. The national action plan of those are 15 amid to delegitimize extremist values and hate speech, full stop. Instead, democratic values such as freedom of expression and association were being delegitimized, full stop. CSO had to obtain permission for implementing each project while the government failed to issue timely NOC, full stop. Such requirements were only for FATA and Balochistan but are now applied to the entire country, full stop. Paragraph. Security issues have posed a serious challenge globally to independent voices, full stop. Post 9/11, a majority of states have passed laws that curtail the freedom of expression, assembly and association, full stop. Typically, human rights and development work related to a government accountability, justice, women rights, prisoners rights, protection against torture, refugees, of policies, economic and environmental policies that are seen as threatening state and corporate interests, have come under attack, full stop. Such attacks come from authoritarian as well as democratic regimes, whether in Europe, North America, or other countries, full